Important benefits of the COVID vaccine. Protection against COVID. No matter how young or healthy you are, COVID can still lead to serious illness, hospitalization, long-term health problems, and death. Vaccines are your best protection against COVID. It is important to get vaccinated even if you have already had COVID. It will lower your risk of becoming infected again. For those who do become infected after having been vaccinated, your risk for serious illness, hospitalization, and death from COVID will be greatly reduced. Protecting others. Getting vaccinated helps protect those around you. This includes people who can't be vaccinated, such as children younger than 5. People ages 5 and older are eligible for vaccination. At this time, people 5 to 17 can only get the Pfizer vaccine. Vaccines are free for everyone. You will not be charged even if you do not have health insurance. You will not be asked about your immigration status. Getting out and about. After you are fully vaccinated, you can do many activities without wearing a mask or physical distancing, especially outdoor activities. Although certain mask mandates have been lifted, you may want to continue wearing a mask in public indoor environments. Always follow the mask requirements, such as on public transportation and in healthcare settings. It is normal for a virus to mutate over time and for new variants to occur. This makes it even more important to get vaccinated. For more information about COVID-19 or to find a vaccine site, visit the sites listed on this slide.